Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation, just kind of makes mapping out overall areas of support and resistance quite straightforward. And I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's get some levels of support mapped out. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. And this level is valued at, let's see here, the $3.27 mark. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $3.27, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that, down here at $3.12. So right up here at about $3.27, $3.12, two of those near-term areas of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this purple line is just going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above the purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that. Again, yeah, preferably speaking, staying up above the 327, 312 ranges would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the current chart. Now, what about next potential areas of resistance? Now, I realize the chart's getting a little bit harder to see here, but always a good problem to have when you have to go back this far in the chart's history. Next key overall area to keep an eye on, looking like right up around $3.43. So $3.43, public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, great move today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.